Hi there, and welcome to another revision talk through from me, the history tutor. And this time we're looking at the Detente. And this was the Cold War relations calming down. This video is particularly focused on the AQA conflict and tension, topic of the Cold War between East and West. So use this video to revise your knowledge and then go to my playlist and practice some skills with some of my tutoring videos or take a look at my revision guide. Now, let's get revising. So what was the Detente? Well, the Detente was between Brezhnev and Nixon, two experienced leaders of the Cold War. They started this from about 1969, started making deals together to calm things down in the Cold War. MAD and all the continued problems of the Cold War were starting to cause a real great fear of problems. There were many other little treaties and little things happening, as we'll talk about in a minute, before 1969 in the post-Cuban Missile Crisis world that showed this thaw in relations. They signed a collection of treaties called SALT I. That's one of the most significant things they did, and this reduced the amount of nuclear weapons and ICBMs. So what were the causes of Detente? Well, firstly, we start with the Sino-Soviet split. So after Khrushchev's secret speech criticising Stalin, there was a sort of break in relations between China, the Sino part of this, and the Soviets, the Russians. By 1972, Nixon had exploited this and started to become very friendly with communist China, and Russia wanted to improve their relations with America because they felt isolated in the world. They no longer had great friends in the world like China. Also, the arms race and fear of MAD had led to a need for Detente. MAD, nuclear assured destruction, had created a fear in the world that the USA and USSR would go to nuclear war. Cuban Missile Crisis and other events of brinkmanship had brought this home to the countries that there was a real fear of nuclear war. Also, problems around hot wars. The USA had suffered in Vietnam. This showed that war was not always the solution to problems. America's Truman Doctrine of stopping the spread of communism had failed in Vietnam through having this hot war. Problems in the Middle East with wars also were causing tension. America was friendly with Israel, whereas Russia was friendly with Arab nations like Egypt, and they were at war with each other quite regularly, 1948, 1956, 1967. So these Arab-Israeli wars were causing tension between East and West. So these conflicts altogether showed that talking was much more important and a better way of solving problems than war. There was also economic problems. Both nations spent billions of dollars on the arms race. The USA had spent huge sums of money in Vietnam. Both countries were spending vast sums of money on improving their societies to try and have the best society, the best way of life. So Khrushchev had his 7-year plan. Johnson, for instance, had his great society, costing vast sums of money, all of this. So both nations simply lacked the money to continue a military and high-tech Cold War. Therefore, the arms race and space race declined. In fact, other areas increased, more like sport became an important part of the Cold War. Who got the most medals in the Olympics? Even chess became an important part of the Cold War rivalry. So what was the impact of Detente? Well, Detente continued to be a success throughout the 1970s. The USA leaving Vietnam for 1973 was welcomed by the Russians, and this led to continued thawing relationships. By the end of the 1970s, Carter and Brezhnev had signed SALT II to reduce missile stocks even further. But there were some negatives. Problems continued in the Middle East, particularly the terrorism of the Palestinian Liberation Organization, the PLO, led to disagreements and tension between Washington and Moscow. The invasion of Afghanistan in 1979 by the Russians led to the Americans supporting the Afghan people against this Russian invasion. And by the late 1970s, early 80s, President Reagan of America had a very strict stance against the Russians. He began rearming with his Strategic Defense Initiative known as Star Wars. This was an era known as the Second Cold War. So there was not a long-term success of Detente. Okay, well, I hope you found it useful and you've revised all your knowledge. And if you are finding this useful, then do subscribe to my playlist and have a look for more and more help in there, and maybe find out more about my revision guide. Bye bye for now.